I'm Ofe. Today we're gonna unboxing TOBOT. This first one, this one is called Y. Okay, let's open him. Okay, you can see you cut it, and you can see the background. Okay, and here is the TOBOT. You can keep it this background. Okay, there's the TOBOT. Pretty cool, huh? On the transformer, just flip the front of the robot and flip the feet and flip this two arms go on the side, and there you go, into a red car. Look at those wheels. Look those red headlights. Okay, got some yellow headlights, black windows. Okay, cool spoiler, huh? Look at that hole, that for the key, but this not have a key because this is a mini. Okay, let's transform him again. Okay, so there is Y. Look at those mirrors. Okay, got holes right here for the put slide the feet. Okay, so there you go. So there is the first one. Okay, let's transform it. There you go. Candles and yep. So I'm saying this is a hole for the front of the robot. Okay, candles. Look at those side mirrors. Okay, so there. Look those doors right here on the sides and windows. Cool. Candles and can roll straight. That was really good. Okay, so look, the front right here has a little blue, but the box, so right here the front has a little bit gray right here, but this has blue. So let's transform it. Okay, just like that. There you go. Look at that gold, and the head can move. Go on the front. Can move. Go on the front. Okay. So a little bit smaller than the other ones. Look at those mirrors. Those mirrors for the spiky things right there. So there you go. There you go. That transforms. Okay. So there is the first one. On to the next one. This excavator. His name is Rocky. Okay, let's open him. Okay. You can see the box. So the gray pieces go on the side, but those go on the front, the middle front. Okay, put that on the side and look at that. This is a shovel. Okay, and here is the robot. All you can see the back right here. Alright, there it is. Okay. Okay, just like that. There you go. Look at that. The window right here is got blue. And let's see this one. The window of this one. And look at that window. It's black. So not same mirrors. They're a little bit different. Okay. So there is the robot. Can pop up these two arms, go on the side, and you can see the trails have arms right here. Like that. Here's the arm. No holes. Okay, put that back. Okay, let's transform him. Okay, just like that. Flip this feet. Flip this feet on and flip the cap of the excavator. Okay, push the arms and snap in these trails, in these steps. Okay, flip these gray pieces, go on the front, and flip this and put these black pieces right there. So there you go. There is the second one. Can rolls. The trails not roll. Has little wheels right here on the trails. So there you go. Really awesome. Which is the second one, the last one, which is boom, Apche. Okay, let's open him up. Okay, just like that. Oh, versus one more. Okay, there you go, the rocket. And put this rocket right there, put this rocket right there. And oh, it fits. Okay, and here's the propeller. Okay, let's put this back right here, just like that. There you go. And you can see, you can snap these pieces. Okay, so this maybe right over here. Yep, and these rockets right over here. Detach. Okay, there you go. And you can see you can transform them. Let's see. Flip this arm inside, flip this arm and flip this just like that. Flip the arms, flip this like that and flip the arms. Okay, just like that. Okay, and you can see you can push everything in the top of the helicopter, and okay, just like that. And flip these feet, and snap these 2 feet. Okay, just like that. And there you go. There, into a helicopter. Let's see, this can opens. Yeah, 2 can open. Okay, put this back. Okay, can spin the propellers. And you can see, he has lots and lots of his rockets, and yeah, can spin the back propeller so fast. The back of the propeller. There you go. There are 3 TOBOTs. Thank you for watching my video. So see you next time. Bye.